Are you ready?
Yeah, we're going.
Okay, Pasquale. You're up, Pasquale. Watch out for the water.
Okay. I think first, let's get the idea that we are doing things backwards. And as I go along, I will explain just what this means. Now, many times I've heard that light conquers all. Light doesn't fight, doesn't conquer. It just does all. Light, the Holy Spirit, is a panacea, is a cure-all. And this is why when you speak of D.D. and the Christian Scientists and all that, we're still in this age where we are in reverse. I was only trying to get out of some sort of a trap. Now, I'm not looking to get out of a trap. I'm looking to find the new road. And this is what we're doing here. So, in order to get to the light, there are many hurdles, many stumbling blocks, many things that will try to prevent us to get there. So we must be strong-willed and make up our minds nothing will stop us. Now remember, the living is for the living and the dead is for the dead. So just what does this mean? And as we speak of structure, function, what structure is the living for the living, and what structure, function is the dead for the dead? Now, what is normal? A wheel of 360 degrees is normal. And that should be for the living. But prior to NASA, we thought we were living on a globe, also a wheel. But when NASA took photographs, images of Mother Earth, they found that it was not a globe, but as they said, pear-shaped. I would prefer saying it's oval. And oval is not 360 degrees. It is 365 and 1/4 degrees. It's abnormal. Now, let's divert a bit and let's take a trip to Washington, D.C. Where are all the conferences taking place? Is it not in the Oval Room? Yeah. And when somebody is dead and they bring him in to the White House to be honored, where do they put this dead guy or dead person? In the rotunda, which means a wheel. But you see, it's in reverse. They ought to go into the rotunda and tried to make their decisions instead of the Oval House or the Oval Room. They should start putting the dead in the Oval Room and come out and work out the problems in the rotunda or the wheel. You follow? We're doing things backwards. Backwards. And our earth is not a wheel any longer. It is egg-shaped. 365 and 1/4 degrees. The same as 365 and 1/4 days that make a year. So we go along with 365 days for 3 years, and on the 4th year we make it 366 in order to catch up. And we call that leap year. There is no leap year in a 360 degree. You got it? It's that easy. That easy. And even in that book you were talking about, Fernando's, the occult anatomy of man, reverse. They speak of the microcosmos as it has precedent over us. And this is where astrology came. That the stars have influence on us. No. I think someone once said, Brutus, it isn't the stars that influence you, it's you that influence the stars. Right? So don't degrade yourself and look out there and think that is greater than you. For you, all of us here, are the crowning creation. We are the miracle. And if it weren't for us, that out there couldn't exist. Neither could Mother Earth exist. Man, which is male, female, come first. Are you willing to change, to understand what we're all about? Now, that X, do you see it? That X is Greek, and it represents the hand. And that P is rho, to ride.